like that.
One day earlier. Hey, what is guys, welcome back to my channel. Rahul here, and I got a haircut. Anyways, getting back to the topic. Recently, I was watching the Samsung's all-new launch event where they announced the Galaxy Note 20, their new smartwatch, their new tablet, their new foldable, their new earbuds, and everything. So naturally, I went online to see if any of them are available for pre-order, which none of them were in at the time of making this video. But I was looking for the Galaxy smartwatch, and I kind of fell into this rabbit hole. You see, it wasn't available for pre-order, but then it put me in a tangent where I started looking for different smartwatches, and I started looking at all the smartwatches, and I just hear me out. Just look at this. Just look at what I'm saying. Okay, so you know, you got the Samsung here, the Apple, the Huawei, and then the Time Honor A1 smartwatch for $5. Yeah, okay, so this is my local currency, 18 dirhams, which pretty much translates to $5. And you know, once again, you got the Apple Watch, the Huawei, and then another one for 41 dirhams, which is like $10, $12, 15-ish. And then another cheap one for like what, $8 or something, and then an Apple smartwatch, and then another cheap one. And like, what's with these cheap smartwatches? When did this become a thing? Do people even actually buy this? Well, my friends, I tested it out. Well, okay, I haven't tested it out. So I pretty much shortlisted 4 smartwatches for $5, $10, $15, and finally $20. So the first one is for $5, is the waterproof multifunctional smartwatch Black, and it has a built-in GPS and a compass, and it has a standby time of 40 to 45 days, which is crazy for $5. If anything that they're advertising turns out to be true, I would be genuinely surprised. And looking at the picture itself, it looks like an Apple Watch-ish kind of thing going on here, with like a silicone band, and oh, that looks like a heart rate sensor. Okay, so this is the second one. This is the Skimmy. Okay, I don't know, whatever. SKMEI water resistant smartwatch Black. It says water resistant, but looking down here in the highlights overview, you can see that it's just sweatproof, which I'm guessing like an IP6X rating. Yeah, it literally says it here. Protection from daily unconscious water scatter or unexpected raindrop. So anything more than that, this thing is probably gonna, you know, get struggle. You know, daily exercise goals, yada yada yada. Battery button lasts for a year, which is okay. I don't know what that means. And to avoid missing important incoming calls. This is actually a product that I'm genuinely excited for, just because there's a little bit of a different, what can I say, form factor, and it looks a bit more interesting as opposed to the other ones. And this is the one for $15, and it is a V8 Bluetooth smartwatch with camera, white and silver. So it, you know, keeps track of your heart rate, which is fine. Equipped with Bluetooth, good, as it should be. Skin-friendly strap. It's probably just like a silicone strap or something. Features a micro SD card slot, which is interesting. I gotta check that out. And in terms of specification, it has 128 MB RAM. Wow, like, I'm pretty sure that's low by any standards. And it's Bluetooth version 4.4, which is acceptable, I guess. And now that I'm going down, I realize I see the exact same watch for half the price. And I've ordered it already. And finally, the shadiest thing that I will probably ever buy, which is a GT08 smartwatch Black. And looking at the specifications, supports Mp3 Playback via Bluetooth. Pretty interesting. Integrated pedometer. You know what? Integrated meter to keep track of your steps. Okay, fine. Lets you shoot precious movement with its video recording function. Interesting. So this thing can actually shoot videos, if I'm reading this correctly. Okay, and it monitors your sleep status, kind of creepy. Tracks your sleep hours, also creepy. And sleep quality, also creepy. Why is it creepy? I don't even know. Imagine if this thing like sells all of my sleeping data to like some Chinese headquarters or something. Like, what are they gonna do with it? And yeah, you know, I have it all in my cart and I've actually ordered this already. And yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is one day later. The packages are finally here. I don't know what part thought of me that I could do like an ASMR unboxing thing, but the package was like really light and I had to cut it open to see if all the stuff that I ordered were there. And well, it was there, but just like that. Okay. Yeah, this is it. This is so weird. Oh my god. Oh god, this is so bad. Oh. Okay, let me just like, okay, perfect. Oh yeah, what? I'll just do that. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so, okay, so this, the first one, okay, so this is a smart bracelet. This was the first thing that I ordered, which was for $5. And yeah, I mean, packaging wise, I don't really know what to say, to be honest. It's a bit like underwhelming. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting for $5. So this is the Skyny. Okay, yeah, you can see the logo here. And this comes in like, it just came in a plastic wrap. Like, it's literally just a plastic wrap. I don't know, like, there's not even a manual here. Like, what do I do with this thing? Okay, anyways, I'm moving this aside. And now these two things. Very similar packaging, like, just look at that, like, very similar packaging. Okay, so this is the generic V8 Bluetooth smartwatch. So this is the $15 one. And finally, we have this, again, very similar packaging. And yeah, this is called the GT08 smartwatch. Yeah, the GT08. So yeah, we have all of it. It's just really underwhelming. Okay, so let's start with the cheapest one that I have here. The packaging is, well, okay, let me try to show you here. Like, look at all these things. It's like twisted, broken, I don't know what to say. And it smells super weird too. I don't know why. It smells like something that you forgot in the corner of your closet for like 10 years and then you found out that, oh, this thing exists. And then you open it up. That's what this smells like right now. Yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's open it up. Wow. 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 Is there anything else inside? Okay, so we have a manual. So like a super short manual on how to, well, you know, do this. And the watch itself. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let me just try to. Wow. Okay, there's looks like a button here. So down here seems to be like a button of some kind. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. And these are the bands themselves. I'm curious if this will even fit my chubby arms. Wow, it turned on by itself. How? Okay, wow. This is so weird. How do I even put these things in? Okay, I'm gonna have to read the manual. That's Chinese. Oh, wow. Okay, wow, 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 wow. Wow, okay, so apparently this thing that you see here, that's a USB, like a USB port. So theoretically, according to this manual, I can literally just plug this thing into my computer or like anything and it will charge. Oh, and it just turned off. It has no battery. You know what, I have my laptop, computer nearby. I'm just gonna plug it in there. For now, it's charging. It's actually charging. Okay, now next is this was one I was excited about. That's what depresses me the most. I don't know what I was expecting, but I expected something just a little bit more from this. Anyways, let's open it up. How do I open this? And yeah, there it is, the watch. Okay, it has like 4 buttons. Okay, light, mode, start and reset, and that's it. There's nothing else. And there's like a logo. How do I turn this on? Did this thing run out of battery? Okay, this thing isn't turning on. How do I even... Is there like something else here? Can I even charge this? How does this thing even work? Let's keep this aside. Once again, for the time being, $10 down the drain. What's next? Okay, so this was $15. $15. Okay. This is literally held down by scotch tape, like, or sellotape. I don't know what it's called. How do I? Okay, interesting. Okay. Oh, all right. This is interesting. Something else in here. Okay, there's a manual. I'm gonna move this aside, keep that there. So this is the watch itself. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty interesting. Let me try to, how do I? Come on. Okay. So that is it. That is the watch, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty nice. So I think it's like this. It has 2 buttons, and yeah, see, it looks pretty cool. I'm not even gonna lie, and it has like a full USB port here. I mean, a micro USB port. How do I open this? The manual, shall we? Okay, power. Okay, there's something useful in there. How do I do anything? How do I turn this on? What is happening? Do I have to like put something in there or something? Okay, so I actually cannot figure out how to charge this thing. It has like a tiny little hole here, which kind of reminds me of like a SIM card slot. It could be a microphone, but I'm gonna plug in and see. Well, okay, let's just do. Okay, it broke my pen. What was it thinking? Okay, I really need to figure out how to do this thing. I'll do that in a bit. This is starting to get frustrating, guys. I'm not getting, none of these things are working. None of these things want to work. Like, this is annoying. Okay, now, same thing here. Tape is like sellotape, scotch tape, I don't know what you guys call it. But yeah, very not nice. Why didn't I get a blade? Why am I trying to open this with like a broken pen? Okay. Ta-da! Exact same packaging. Literally the same thing. No difference at all. Like literally nothing at all. The literal same packaging. Wow. It's probably by like the same company or something. Okay, there. So the manual is a little bit different here. Please turn on. Will it turn on? No, it's not gonna turn on. Does this thing rotate? No, it doesn't. I'm gonna. Okay, all right. This thing can charge, unlike the other one. So I'm gonna charge this thing. You know what? I'm gonna take like a break because the unboxing itself has been super frustrating and I made a super mess here. I'm gonna take a break, let it charge. Okay, so future Rahul here, guys. I'm editing my video right now and I'm realizing that it has gotten super long. I have hours and hours of footage and I'm trying my best to shorten it down without losing like the essence of it. And you know, if I shorten it down too much, I feel like I'm not doing justification to myself, to my video. And if I make it too long, I feel like I'm not doing any justification for my viewers who would have to sit through like a 40-minute long movie at this point. And so I've decided to split this into two parts. This was part one that you just watched, which included the unboxing and, you know, like a general see-through of the device. And next week, we will actually start using it and do some weird testing. Here's a quick trailer for what's going to be coming next week. Can you see that? Can you see that? It actually freaking works. Like, okay. it's flow. Does not turn on anymore than one. Oh. Spoke too soon, I guess. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and to like so that you wouldn't miss my next uploads. I would also recommend turning on the notification, but if you don't want to do it, hey, I get it. I don't do it myself. So until next time, bye.